If you're into Forex trading or planning to start, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right broker. Because your profits don't just depend on your strategy, they also depend on how reliable and efficient your broker is. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 best MetaTrader 5 brokers that you can trade with. We've selected these brokers based on important factors like regulation, customer support, execution speed, and trading costs, so you can make a smarter choice. What is an MT5 broker? First, let's understand what a MetaTrader 5 broker actually is. An MT5 broker is simply a broker that gives you access to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. MT5 is one of the most powerful and widely used platforms in the trading world. It offers advanced charting tools, multiple technical indicators, fast trade execution, and everything you need to analyze the markets effectively. One of its biggest advantages is that it also supports algorithmic trading, which means you can automate your trading strategies and execute trades without manual intervention. Number 1, Black Bull Markets. Black Bull Markets is a well-known and reliable broker based in New Zealand. It is especially popular for its ultra-fast execution speed, averaging less than 75 milliseconds, which is ideal for scalpers and active traders. This broker offers leverage up to 1 to 500, and one of its biggest advantages is that there is no minimum deposit requirement, making it accessible for all types of traders. It provides ECN-based accounts with competitive spreads and also offers 24/7 customer support. If you're looking for fast execution and a professional trading environment, Black Bull Markets is a strong choice. Number 2, FBS Broker. FBS is one of the best brokers for traders who prefer high leverage trading. It offers leverage of up to 1 to 3,000, which is considered very high in the industry. You can start trading with a minimum deposit of just $5, making it beginner-friendly. Spreads start from around 0.7 pips, and the overall fee structure is quite simple. FBS also provides 24/7 customer support, which is a big plus. If you follow aggressive or high-risk, high-reward strategies, FBS might be the right fit for you. Number 3, XM Broker. XM is a great option for both beginners and intermediate traders. You can start with just $5, and it offers leverage of up to 1 to 1,000. One of the best things about XM is the variety of account types it offers, including micro, standard, and ultra-low accounts, so you can choose what suits your trading style. Many accounts also come with zero commission trading, and spreads start from as low as 0.6 pips. With responsive customer support and easy account setup, XM is a solid choice for new traders. Number 4, Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a globally recognized and highly trusted broker known for its strong regulation and reliability. This makes it a great option for traders who prioritize safety. It offers leverage of up to 1 to 500 for professional clients, although retail traders may have lower limits. Pepperstone provides Razor and standard accounts, and there is no fixed minimum deposit requirement. If you're looking for a secure and long-term trading experience, Pepperstone is definitely worth considering. Number 5, IC Markets. IC Markets is another popular broker, especially known for its low spreads and stable performance. It is widely used by professional traders. This broker offers leverage of up to 1 to 500, depending on your region, and requires a minimum deposit of $200. It provides raw spread and standard accounts, both of which support the MT5 platform. Customer support is available 24/7, which adds to its reliability. If your focus is on low spreads and a consistent trading environment, IC Markets is a great choice. To keep it simple, if you want high leverage, FBS. If you're a beginner, XM. If you want fast execution, Black Bull Markets. If you prioritize safety, Pepperstone. If you want low spreads, IC Markets. Every trader has different needs, so always choose a broker based on your trading style and risk tolerance.